To our modern day heroes, our beloved OFWs, your hard work and sacrifices are building a brighter future for your families. We know the challenges you face every day, working far from home, missing your loved ones, all to provide them with a better life. But did you know that you can turn your hard earned money into a lasting legacy? Investing in real estate can provide security, stability, and a prosperous future for your family. Here are the benefits of real estate investment: home ownership, rental income, value appreciation, security for the future. Let's listen to the stories of our fellow OFWs who have made the smart choice to invest.
Hi, my name is Eileen Castro and I work as a nurse abroad. Working away from home and family is difficult. Sacrifices, exhaustion, and despair are all part of the job. However, every smile and expression of thanks I receive from my patients inspires and strengthens me. As an OFW, investing in real estate has been one of my best life decisions. My aim is to provide a safe and secure house for my family because since we were little, we have only lived on rent and moved out. Imagine kung ilang beses kaming nagpalipat-lipat noon. These dreams inspires me to work hard and make sacrifices. And with the help of real estate investment, the dream of owning a house and being able to say that you have your own home is gradually coming true. At sa tulong din ng real estate investment, unti-unti nang natutupad ang pangarap ko na magkaroon at masabi kong may sarili na kaming tahanan. My real estate adventures has been also more than just a financial success. It has also led me to personal fulfillment. Dahil dito, nagkaroon ako ng mas maraming oras sa aking pamilya every time umuuwi ako para magbakasyon sa Pilipinas. It made me devote more time to my family and personal growth, managing my time to improve the quality of life for myself and my loved ones. My real estate investments provided me with security and confidence, allowing me to make these transitions. At hanggang ngayon, ay patuloy pa din akong nangangarap na mabigyan sila, ang pamilya ko, ng mas maginhawang buhay.
I have been working in boarding ships for about 10 years as a seaman. Even though I don't want to be away from my family, as a father, handa akong tiisin lahat ng hirap at sakripisyo. I always consider my family's future. Hindi habang buhay ako ay malakas at may trabaho. But then I met someone who presented me in real estate industry, which is something that has the power to alter our lives. I considered going into this industry. I saw that it had great potential income and could provide a good future for my family. Through rentals, I had passive incomes that covered our expenses and daily needs. And I say, dahil sa real estate, hindi lang sa pinansyal at pagtupad sa aming pangarap ang naibigay, kundi masigit pa doon. Nagkaroon ako ng mas panatag na pag-iisip na unti-unting magkaroon ng seguridad ang kinabukasan ng aking pamilya.
Getting started is easier than you think. Follow these simple steps. Step number 1, research and choose a property. Step number 2, understand financing options. Step number 3, consult with experts. And step number 4, make the purchase. Take the first step towards a secure and prosperous future for your family. Invest in your real estate today. Your sacrifice today can build the foundation for a brighter tomorrow. Invest in real estate and watch your dreams come true.